So we'll click the edit button up here. And this brings us into our workshop. And so I guess the first thing is if we want to change the default starting location. Let's say I wasn't happy with this and I wanted to come back over here. And I want to make this view the start. So we'll go there, and then we'll click on Start Location. And we'll hit Set Start Location. And then there is our start location.
Great.
So let's go to labels. I like to edit this in floor plan view. So once we find something we want to label, we're going to click this plus button. And we're just going to type in living room. And then we'll call this the kitchen.
And where and when do those labels show up?
Good question. I don't use them too much. They show up in the floor plan view.
Okay.
Are you aware if they, I guess they may help with the drafters when they're creating the floor plans. They may use those labels to generate with the floor plans.
Good question. I don't know the answer to that.
Okay.
When you were showing your tour, I want to say it was using the bottom left play button, that it was showing the name, and that name came from living room, where you named it.
No, I put that in, and I'll show you where to do that.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, glad I asked.
So yeah, that's how you do labels. You just continue on, and I don't really use this too much. So we've done thousands of tours, and I've used it a handful of times, but
okay.
That's where you can do it at.